Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming Canon EOS R6 Mark III, a camera that could dominate the mirrorless camera market in 2025. If you're a content creator, photographer, or filmmaker, this might be the hybrid tool you've been waiting for. With exciting leaks, new sensor innovations, video upgrades, and hints at Canon's next flagship features, there's a lot to unpack. Let's explore what makes the Canon EOS R6 Mark III one of the most highly anticipated full-frame mirrorless cameras of next year and why it might be the best camera for creators in 2025. Canon R6 Mark III, a new era in mid-tier mirrorless cameras? The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is set to be the next evolution in Canon's full-frame EOS R series. Following in the footsteps of the popular EOS R6 Mark II, this third-generation model is rumored to include next-gen specs that aim to bridge the gap between prosumer and professional needs. Based on recent leaks and industry speculation, this camera might deliver some serious upgrades without jumping into flagship price territory. Among the biggest expected changes? A brand new 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, one that could dramatically improve speed, dynamic range, and low-light performance. This stacked sensor design is poised to boost readout speeds while significantly reducing rolling shutter, giving creators smoother results in fast action scenes. This change alone puts the R6 Mark III in line with much more expensive models, potentially even outperforming the EOS R5 in key areas like readout speed and real-time autofocus accuracy. Enhanced performance with dual Digis X processors under the SoC hood. The R6 Mark III is expected to pack dual Digic X processors paired with a dedicated Digic accelerator unit. This processor setup should supercharge the camera's capabilities across the board, from autofocus tracking speed to video encoding to real-time subject detection. This triple processing pipeline could give the R6 Mark III a major performance edge when handling high bitrate 4K and 6K video, high-speed burst shooting, and complex AI-driven autofocus features. Vlogging and filmmaking features, fully articulating LCD and 6K RAW. In terms of usability, Canon appears to be listening closely to the needs of hybrid creators. Leaks suggest the R6 Mark III will feature a fully articulating LCD touchscreen with a tilt and flip design perfect for vloggers, solo filmmakers, and those who shoot from creative angles. This gives content creators flexibility in every scenario, from cinematic shots to vertical TikTok videos. But what really stands out is the video performance. The R6 Mark III is rumored to support 6K RAW internal recording at up to 60 FPS, 4K video recording at up to 120 FPS, Canon Log 2 and Canon Log 3 for wide dynamic range, advanced heat dissipation systems for longer recording times. These features position the camera as a strong hybrid video solution, suitable for both serious filmmakers and social media content producers who want cinematic quality. Canon R6 Mark III, sensor versus R5 and R3. Where does it stand? Interestingly, the R6 Mark III's rumored sensor is said to be comparable, if not slightly faster in some operations, than the sensor in the upcoming Canon EOS R5 Mark II, though it still sits below the EOS R1 in terms of overall throughput and power. This new 24-megapixel stacked sensor could very well be a variant of the EOS R3's design. With improvements in dynamic range, color depth, and ISO performance, it's likely to be a dream camera for low-light shooters and wildlife photographers alike. Expect high-speed autofocus, intelligent AI-based subject tracking, and eye detection. AF to become even more accurate, Canon is pushing hard into AI autofocus territory, and the R6 Mark III is expected to benefit massively. Will the design change? Design-wise, Canon seems to be taking the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" approach. Instead of an overhaul, the R6 Mark III may retain the ergonomic, well-balanced body of the R6 Mark II, but with enhanced button customization, better grip texture, and improved weather sealing. This means you get a camera that feels familiar in the hand but is supercharged internally. Release date and launch strategy. What's Canon planning? Insider reports suggest a launch window between July and September 2025. Canon often uses this late summer period to showcase new products during global tech expos or standalone launch events. While we don't have an official release date yet, the camera is reportedly in its final testing phase, with development nearly complete. As we've seen in previous Canon rollouts, leaked specs this consistent usually mean an announcement is imminent. Canon EOS R6 Mark III price prediction. The current EOS R6 Mark II has seen significant price drops, retailing now at around $1,999, with refurbished units even lower. Its official MSRP now sits at $2,999. Given the upgrades coming in the Mark III, including 6K RAW video, stacked sensor, and dual processors, industry insiders estimate pricing will fall between $2,499 and $2,699 USD. This makes it an incredible value when compared to Sony's A7 IV or Nikon's Z6 III, especially if you're looking for a balanced camera that does both stills and video brilliantly. If these specs pan out, the R6 Mark III could become the best mirrorless camera under $3,000 for hybrid shooters. Whether you're into wedding photography, YouTube content creation, event videography, or travel vlogging, this camera might just check all your boxes. Final thoughts: from what we've seen, it just might be. It brings together cutting-edge technology from Canon's flagship models, all in a mid-range package. With a new stacked sensor, dual processors, powerful video tools, and an improved design, the R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most versatile and future-proof cameras on the market. Until next time, stay creative and keep pushing the limits of your content.